Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got a special guest.
Hey.
We've got Tim back. You guys have been asking for more Tim, so I thought I'd deliver.
Thanks guys, I'm here.
Here he is, in the flesh. Tim is here today because we're filming a Valentine's Day themed video. Ooh. Amazon asked us to work with them on a video, which is really exciting. So today we are going to be showing you guys some bits and bobs that you can get off of Amazon's handmade section for your loved one on Valentine's Day, or for yourself. I mean, I'm a big fan of buying myself presents on my birthday, Christmas, a Wednesday. Tim and I both went and had a browse on the handmade section of Amazon, and we picked out some bits that we would like, and then we gave each other the list, and we have chosen a few bits each off our list.
I feel like I can see a lot of, I can already guess a lot of the stuff.
Oh yeah, it's like spilling out the top of the bag.
It's really different to anything I've seen on Amazon before, because usually like I'd go on there for something usually like technical or something very specific. Like go onto Amazon because I need like a new charger or something, but it's all just like bits and bobs stuff made by anyone. It was literally like I was at an artisan fair.
Like an online craft fair.
Yeah, genuinely. We wanted to get some of the personalised stuff, like saw some really cool personalised wallets, like watches, phone case. Have a browse and type in any, like, when we were choosing, you were like to me, just type in anything, and I was like, what? And anything I typed in, there was like, wow, I didn't know that someone out there is making.
There's some stuff that you're like, I didn't know that existed.
Yeah, but I wanted it, so we got it.
Yeah, and speaking of personalised, Amazon's actually running a competition about personalised goods. So stay tuned to the end if you'd like to hear more about that. Tim and I are gonna give each other our little bags.
Yeah, this is mine for her.
So, yeah, we are gonna give each other our little bags. Tim's bag is way smaller than mine. I see something big in the top here. I think I know what this is. Okay, the first thing that I have are two posters. David! It's David!
David!
And Frida! I love these.
These are very cool.
They're very cool.
Like, really minimal. It's like
yeah,
just eyebrows.
literally just eyebrows. Obviously, David just has a bird on his shoulder. I love the bright pops of colour with the yellow and the green, and I think I'm going to put these up in my office maybe? Somewhere really cool. I love these! I love them! Oh, we need to do our cards!
Oh, yeah.
Something that I really loved is they had loads and loads of Valentine's Day cards, because obviously these are Valentine's Day gifts. But you can look at it at any time of year, but obviously for Valentine's Day. This is the whole point of the video. Yeah, they had some really cute cards, so we've chosen each other a Valentine's Day
They were really, I found them really different from like, and refreshing from the sort of like classic, really boring, plain Valentine's Day cards, just actually funny ones.
Yeah.
Because people have a sense of humour rather than just like...
Yeah, exactly. There's normal people with normal sense of humours rather than massive.
And they like can be trending ones as well. They're all very nice.
Yeah.
It's a really good spread.
Good selection.
I love you with all my boobs. I would say all my heart, but my boobs are bigger.
I thought it was funny, but we won't read it out because it's embarrassing. Aww. You're my kind of weird.
There was much more risque ones.
Yeah, I know. I wanted to go for something really filthy.
I thought, yeah, there are kids watching. All you kids out there.
Keep it PG, guys. Something that I definitely found stood out to me was there was loads of art and prints. So loads of really
well
cool...
priced as well.
Yeah, very reasonable.
Oh yay! I'll give the audience a second to see if they can. Oh, it's quite hard. It's apartment 19 and 20. 495 Grove Street, New York.
The floor plan.
Floor plan of Friends.
Of the apartments.
I used to love Friends so much, and I haven't watched it in so long, and I saw this and I was like, I know that. I know that apartment. So many people at uni have like Friends, massive poster on their wall, and it's like, wow, you watched Friends. So this is a bit more like
it's a
little gem because it doesn't actually say what it is.
Yeah.
It's nice. Didn't know that was a thing. Someone had that idea. I'm like, I'm going to sell it to the general public.
Oh boy. Oh, and by the way, I will link below all of the sellers in the description box with a link to where you can buy these so that you know where to go. The next thing is two of my favourite things together. Personalised things and mugs. It's a personalised mug. It says YouTube and then EmmasRectangle. You know, if I was to bring out mugs, they wouldn't look anything like this.
No, what would they look like?
I can't tell you, Timmy.
Oh, sorry.
Pulled my wrist back.
This was really cool, which I saw. It's one of the... You alright?
It's so cold. That was
like... This is a little music box. Spirited Away. If anyone's ever... I feel like you just don't know anything about Studio Ghibli. Studio Ghibli's like Disney in Japan, and it's like amazing, and they're so good. And this was a little music box with Spirited Away theme. And again, completely random. I just saw it and was like, that's such a random little novelty.
Yeah.
And so I got it.
I think it's really sweet. You can get loads of different songs as well. You can get like Lord of the Rings,
Game of Thrones, La La Land. Let's move on.
These were made by Sophia Rose Jewellery. She put a little card in, which is really nice. A little personal touch. See? Love that. And they came in these really cute little bags, which I also love. I'm a sucker for packaging. And I picked out a couple pieces of jewellery from her. So the first one, I'll do a close-up, but it is this really, really cute rose quartz on a gold chain. I think this is an 18-inch, so it's the same length as this necklace, but I really want to start wearing more gold jewellery.
Sorry.
Am I boring you?
Yeah.
I thought this was really, really pretty, so I picked out this. I love that it's got the little like beads all the way up. Very, very cute. These are the same little teardrop earrings, but these are in a lovely like orange colour. I'll show you some close-ups, but...
They're nice.
¿Te gusta?
Sí.
Sí. Ah, gracias.
More prints because
they were really good.
They were a lot. I was spoiled for choice.
Look how cool these are.
Whoa, these ones are nice. The minimal ones.
Oh my god, I love these. If you don't know what these are, then I mean, you need to
leave.
Rick and Morty. Nice. Rick and Morty is the funniest show ever. It's like our favourite thing, isn't it? We love it. The final thing is adorable. It is this really, really cute little tea box. It says tea and it's got leaves, so it's very me, obviously. And then it's a glass top with like dividers in it. And then you open it up and it's got 9 different sections. Because I have got so many different kinds of tea. It's actually unbelievable. But I have so many, they're all in like packets, and I don't drink them because they're like tucked away. So I feel like it'd be nice to have a few of each flavour out so I can grab them if I want to and then put the rest into storage. So yeah, I love this. This is going to be so nice in the flat. Oh, I love it. That's so pretty.
Right, so there we are.
That's everything. If you guys would like some personalised gifts, all of the information is linked down below. I will write it in the description box for you. If you'd like to possibly win, then check the description box down below for more information. So that is everything. Thank you for my presents, Timmy.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. If you want to get something for your mum, your dad, your sister, yourself, everyone deserves a present and everyone deserves love on Valentine's Day.
Oh. Oh.
Aww. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed our little Valentine's Day gift giving segment. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed and we will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye bye.